Setting up a Synology NAS for use in Stratocast. To set up the Synology NAS volumes for use with Stratocast, first make sure the device is available on the network and the steps have been completed to set up the storage devices on the NAS unit. The disk groups should be present before starting to create volumes. Before setting up the volumes, please verify the storage space that is needed for the video unit that will be using each volume and make sure you are an administrator of the NAS device. If you need help calculating the storage space, there is a convenient formula available in the Stratocast online help found under the Additional Resources section. To assign the volumes to the NAS device, first log in from the device's web page. Open the Storage Manager from the menu button on the top left. Click on the Volume tab. If you do not have a volume on the NAS device currently, it will automatically start the creation process. Otherwise, hit the Create button to bring up the creation wizard. Choose the Custom setting, and then make sure the Multiple Volumes on RAID option is selected. Hit Next, and choose an existing disk group or create a new one. It will then ask for the volume capacity. We recommend calculating the storage space for the video unit that will be recording to this volume and using the exact value. Please remember that the volume limit in Stratocast is 2 terabytes. Once the volume has been created, you may proceed with creating the other volumes you will be using on the NAS device. The volume will show an optimized disk space message with a percentage of the process that has been completed. When it has finished, the volume is ready for use. Our next step is to create the shared folders for use in Stratocast. These must all have unique names for identification purposes. From the main menu, go to the Control Panel and open the Shared Folder section. Enter the unique name of the shared folder, a description if you wish, and the location of the shared folder. The location is one of the volumes we had previously created. The options below should generally be unchecked, but we need to make sure the Enable Recycle Bin option is unchecked. Having the recycle bin enabled may cause issues within Stratocast. From here, we're able to set up the privileges for the folder. Choose the user we wish to have control of the folder, and make sure the user has read and write access. Once you have finished creating the shared folders, the NAS volumes are now ready for use in Stratocast.